Kumusta? Mabuhay, beautiful people! Magandang gabi and maligayang pagbabalik sa akin channel. Ako po si Ovela. I am your host, Ovela. And you guys kept your end of the deal. So, I'm gonna keep the end of my deal. And why am I saying that? It's because last time I reacted to viral Filipino singers on TikTok, I told you that if you like the video and show me that you're really interested, I will keep making those type of reaction videos. And since you guys really liked that video and showed me your enthusiasm for that video, I was like, you know what? Let me go download 8 more TikTok videos where Filipinos went viral and we will react to them together today once more, okay? And we will discover artists like this. You know, I love it. So I hope you guys are excited just like I am. Before we start, make sure to follow me on Instagram at Music Game News because that is where you can DM me your suggestions. You know, just like this person sent me this huge list of TikTok videos. They sent me the links, right? But I download them. You know, I go on TikTok, copy the link, and then I download it through a website. All right, so I chose 8 of them, all right? And you guys can probably see the screen, my screen, and we will go through them. And this time, last time we went from the bottom to the top. This time we will go from the top to the bottom, okay? All right, let's get to it. Here we go. First one. Who is this? She looks familiar. She looks familiar. Para request po, I need you. Pa notice din. Okay, reply to Ellie Vecina. Vecina's comment. She looks very familiar, man. Have I already reacted to her? Or was she maybe on Tawag ng Tanghalan? It's possible, man. It's either I've reacted to her on like a random viral video that was sent to me a long time ago, or I've seen her on a vocal show like Tawag ng Tanghalan because she looks very familiar. Wow.
Charot.
Did she just say charot? She has a beautiful voice, man. Very powerful, very clear. I can even hear a little bit of that that air. You know that weird air that like Mariah has when she sings? It's like magic. To me, the way Mariah sings sometimes is magic because you can hear her vocal texture. But on top of it, there is like some type of air. You know, you can hear some type of like kind of like white noise. It's weird. I hear it a little bit with her as well. Yeah. Okay, that was very, very nice. Next. Man, every time I start the video, I get startled because the volume is so freaking loud. Okay, you know what? We're gonna reduce it before we start. I don't want to be startled again. My love will see you through. Let's go. Looks like a karaoke performance. Okay, I don't want to be mean or anything like that. It's a she, right? I think it's a she. I mean, the vocals remind me of a woman's vocals, right? Super high, super sharp. I'm gonna say she, okay? Impressive though. It's so freaking high. I feel like her head is gonna start getting bigger and bigger and just lifting off like a balloon, you know? What the hell? Woo! Damn, yo. That is insane. And this is like just random Filipino. Like you can't be more random than this. Look, outside, you can see the street behind. They're like in their, I guess, backyard, just singing karaoke. Randomly. Random Filipino can sing like this, go this high. This is a sport in the Philippines. Oh, wow, that was insane. She sang so freaking high for 45 seconds. How do you not hurt your vocal cords like this? How does your voice remain steady? How does it not crack? Like, I don't know. It's incredible. Okay. This looks like a fancy house. This is the kind of the opposite of what we were watching before. Okay. Hey! Okay, I'm not impressed, but I was not expecting a duet. Is this what you do? Is this what you do? Is this what you do? I don't know how else to say it. Is this like your pastime? You know, you're bored, you're like, all right, let's practice. Let's practice a very difficult song, Filipino song to sing. Like seriously, guys. I mean, you're putting to shame the rest of the world. It's crazy. And I said I'm not impressed because we just saw someone hitting extreme high notes for like 45 seconds. But if I hadn't seen that video prior to this, yeah, I would be impressed because this is great, you know, and they were harmonizing beautifully. I don't think I've ever heard this song sang like this, you know, a harmony, like throughout the song, harmonizing throughout the song like this. This is crazy. And they have a nice reverb too because of where they are, you know, under the stairs. Usually when you sing on the stairs or under the stairs, you get this very nice reverb. Try it. You know, if you go into a building that has like stairs, try to sing on the stairs or whatever. You'll see like the reverb is very nice. Or in the bathroom, you know, it's colored. It's very interesting. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys, but this house, the stairs, you know, remind me a lot of my father's home that he built. You know, he's an architect, engineer. He drew the house and everything. And he always wanted stairs that looked like that go like this, you know. They're called like escargot shaped stairs. So it really reminds me of that. But yeah, there you go. Next. Next. Who is this? I do not recognize this person. But I'm still gonna reduce the volume. Alright.
Kaya mo yan, ma! O pa ba naman?
1, 2, 3, go.
Wait lang. Seryoso ba?
Oo, seryoso, ma!
We're waiting.
Ganun yung kima.
Okay.
I thought it was a dude. The voice sounds very feminine when the person said okay. Okay, it sounded very, very feminine to me. Wait. Let's go back.
Seryoso ba?
Oo, seryoso, ma!
We're waiting.
I mean, I do notice the extremely long nails.
Ganun yung kima.
Okay.
Yeah.
Look at the stuff, isn't it neat? What did you think my collection's complete? What did you think of the girl? The girl who has everything.
Wow, that is impressive. Cause he's a dude. I mean, that's a dude singing beautifully like a woman that sang a Disney song. Isn't this from The Little Mermaid or Beauty and the Beast or something like that? It's probably Little Mermaid. I mean, they're in a pool, so I think maybe it's The Little Mermaid. I love the vibrato. The vibrato is beautiful. There's so much control here.
I have gadgets and gizmos aplenty.
Ooh.
I have roots, hits and what's hits galore.
Oh la la.
One thing in a box, I've got 20. But who cares? No big deal. I want more.
Wow. Beautiful. See, like I'm usually not a big fan of Disney movies where they sing a lot, you know? But videos like this make me appreciate those movies even more because it shows me how many people actually care for those movies and love those movies and try to sing like them, and it just shows me the beauty behind those Disney movies, you know? I think this person did such a beautiful job. And you know, I'm gonna say he looks super like humble and everything and shy. I think, wow, I loved it. I really did. All right. Next. It's the same girl from the first video that we watched. Yeah. Guys, you guys probably know her, so could you please let me know who she is? With a baby. Okay. She woke the kid. The kid was sleeping. Wow. Wow, okay, Filipino kids. This is, again, another type of proof that singing in the Philippines is something that everybody does. A Filipino kid sleeps while his mother or sister or aunt or whatever is belting her ass off, and belting her ass off properly. This is beautiful, man. The kid is like, I'm used to this, I don't care. Try to do this in Canada next to a kid here. Man, the kid will start crying or will be just like, what is going on, you know? No way.
It was gone with the wind, but it's all coming back to me. What not?
And the chicken, the rooster, did you hear it? The Philippines, yo.
All coming back
to me. What na? Sleep na. And I'ma see you like this.
Woo!
And I'ma see you like that. Sleep na manang bata diri ako no.
I love it. I love it. She said sleep, right? And then she started singing in Tagalog, I think. Was it Tagalog or another Filipino dialect, right? While maintaining the melody of the popular song. This is so great. Hey, I didn't see you there. Well, now that you're here, why don't you celebrate for making it this far into this video by subscribing to the channel, by turning on that notification bell so that you don't miss any future videos, and of course, and the most important thing, to like this video because it does help out the channel tremendously. And now, if you don't mind, I'm gonna go back to my business.
Good night.
The kid is out. Wow. That was impressive. I prefer this one to her first video that I reacted to. This was so freaking good, man. So powerful. The vibrato was so beautiful. Man, what a talented girl. Next, who is this dude? I do not know. Let's see. Do we have here another belter? Ikaw nga.
Nais kong ipagtapat sa'yo, sana'y dinggin mo ang lihim ng pusong ito.
Woo!
Kahit na tayo'y magkaibang mundo.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that part. Oh.
Ibang mundo.
Woo!
Ikaw nga ang siyang hanap-hanap kay tagal na ako'y nangarap.
This song sounds very familiar. I feel like I've reacted to someone sing this song, maybe on the Wish bus. It's very possible. He sings beautifully. His runs are awesome. I really like his falsetto.
Lumuluhod, nakikiusap,
Oh,
ako'y mahalin.
Oh my god, he's giving me chills, and that is why I am rewinding, because this is so beautiful.
Ako'y nangarap, lumuluhod, nakikiusap, ko'y mahalin mo sinta.
So freaking good. I wonder if he was the one also playing the guitar. It doesn't look like he's got a guitar between his hands, you know. They're not even moving, so I doubt it. But yeah, this is basically an acoustic version of this song. Beautiful, beautiful. And I really like the red lights in his studio, maybe room, whatever. But I like it. That was awesome. That was really awesome, man. You are definitely talented, and it seems to come very easy to him, especially when he uses his falsetto and does those runs and scaling. Tasty. All right, number 7. Again, it's her again. Okay, I guess she's that popular. Reply to I Joshua's comment. Please, Don Sapartna, look up what he's really trying to say. Just look up part 2. Okie dokie.
Look up what he's really trying to say. Is get your head out of your ass. Listen to the goddamn qualified scientist. We really fucked it up this time.
She's got an Ariana Grande voice, man. It's crazy. And that's why when I reacted to her first video that we started with, I thought of Mariah Carey. Because let's face it, Ariana Grande is like a younger Mariah Carey in a lot of ways, you know? They have a lot of similarities in their voice. They have that eeriness, you know, in their vocal texture. So that's why, that's why I said that. You know, she sounds a lot like Ariana Grande, more than Mariah. She sounds more like Ariana Grande. Okay. So this is a cappella, obviously.
So close, I can feel a hit big time, and you can act like everything is so right, but this is probably happening in real time. Celebrate or cry or pray, whatever it takes to get you through the mess up I made, 'cause tomorrow may never come. Just look out, turn off the sheets for the news, 'cause we're about to toss on everybody.
Holy moly, she is good. Okay, I have to research this. Who sings Just Look Up? Is it Mariah? Is it Ariana Grande? It could be Ariana Grande, guys. It could be. I'm just gonna type Just Look Up on YouTube and see what shows up. Okay. Just look up. Boom! Ariana Grande. There you go. Yup. And Kid Cudi. Okay. There you go. There you go. Yep. I honestly don't even know the song. I had no idea that it was Ariana Grande, but just, you know, the vocal texture and the way she's singing the songs, the notes, you know, the runs, it just reminded me so much of Ariana Grande. I had to make sure. Okay.
Here it comes. I'm so glad I'm here with you forever in your arms. Charot ang botla. Mauna to siya. Part 2.
Monga Charot ang boklan. What?
Just look up part 2. Thank you.
Charot. I gotta hear that again.
Forever in your arms. Charot ang botla.
Charot ang botlan.
Mauna to siya. Part 2. Just look up part 2. Thank you.
Is she a comedian too? I guess she exaggerates her facial expressions. Charot. All right, the last video. Boom. Normal days. She's gone. Oh, looks like we have a comparison, guys. I'm gonna reduce the volume just a little bit. Between a girl version and a boy version. Okay, why did they put one word for girl version? Okay. Oh man, this song. I hope I won't have copyright issues with this one. If I do, I'm gonna have to edit some parts out. Okay. We're gonna have to choose. You guys are gonna have to choose just like me, okay? We love comparisons on this channel, Music Game News, you know? For fun, but we love them. You're gonna have to tell me if you prefer the girl version or the boy version before we even start, okay? And I will tell you at the end as well. And I will explain why, if I can. Oh, she is gone. All of my life. Oh. Okay. Okay. I'm confused. I am so freaking confused. You guys are seeing what I'm seeing, right? The girl version on the left, the boy version on the right. I am seeing a woman, okay? But I'm not hearing a woman. This does not sound like a woman. It sounds like a man. This raspy voice, kind of deep voice, kind of like a smoker's voice. and it was amazing. It was amazing. I'm gonna rewind it. That was... Wow, I did not expect that type of voice to come out of a woman. I'm just gonna say that. Boom, ta come, ta come. Wow! She is hyping me up. Maybe we should have started with this video, bruh. Oh, my blood is boiling. And she is singing it, oh, perfectly. Oh, there is so much passion. And her vibrato is also so great. I'm loving everything she's doing right now. And she is really hot, like as in warm. You know, look at her fanning herself. Wow. Oh, that's it. Oh, that's too bad. Bruh. I'm sorry, but it's a 10. For me, it's a 10. What she did right there, it's a 10. I don't know if the rest is terrible, but that's just perfect. It's a 10, it's a 10, it's a 10. Let's see what the dude can do. The boy version. Okay, this is a boy. Woo! Ah, okay. It's unfortunate because I can hear the girl better than the boy, the recording. But he's singing it very, very well. I'm very impressed. It seems like it's like a gathering. Maybe they were drinking a little bit, you know. They get loose. Filipinos, when they drink, they get loose and sing really well. So maybe that's the secret, you know, for singing really well. Alcohol. Can we even compare here, because he's got a little bit of a delay on his microphone and a little bit of reverb, so it makes his sound more colored, you know? Wow, impressive. I preferred the girl version. I'm gonna say it, I don't care. I preferred the girl version. All right, I'll give him a 9. I'll give him a 9 because it was very impressive. Like if I hadn't heard the girl version, I would have been very impressed, man. I would have been like, wow, this is almost a 10. So I'm gonna give him a 9. But dude, the girl version was so impressive. I preferred the girl version. Let's hear just the beginning again. I mean, especially when you're not expecting that type of voice to come out of her. There is so much raspiness. There is so much, you know, texture. There's so much, there's the word I'm looking for. Oh my gosh. Maybe it will come back to me. Oh my god, it's a phenomenal voice. It's a phenomenal voice, and that part, you know, she sang it so beautifully. Oh man. You guys have so many amazing singers. It's ugh. It ain't fair. It ain't fair. Okay, wait. I'm trying to character. her voice has a lot of character. You know? So much character. Oy, oy, oy. Anyway, there we go. We've done the 8 videos. This can easily be my favorite video of the entire batch. And then I really loved, the guy who sang like a Disney princess, you know, in the swimming pool. So beautiful. That girl with the baby, that was hilarious. And of the 3 videos of that girl, that was my favorite. The dude who was singing in his room with that beautiful falsetto, very, very nice. And yeah, that random Filipino, you know, in the backyard. Wow. Hey man, this was an awesome batch. Seriously, very impressive. The one that impressed me the least was the 2 girls, I think, that were singing at the bottom of the stairs. Mahal Kita, something Mahal Kita, right? The song that they were singing. That was my least favorite. But yeah, I'm counting on you to tell me if you prefer the girl version or the boy version. Thank you so much for joining me as usual. Thank you for suggesting all these wonderful viral videos on TikTok. Maraming salamat po. So as usual, do not forget, like the video. If this video does well, we will have a 3rd edition of this type of TikTok viral Filipino singers videos, okay? Take care of yourselves. Peace. Thank you for watching. Subscribe here and please like the video to show your support and appreciation for my work, and turn on the notification bell to be poked for future content. Yeah.